People live there. That's their backyard. This gorgeous waterfall.
We're Jenna and Jeremy, travelers, creators, and digital nomads.
As part of an exciting freelance gig, we spent 3 months in the stunning country of Iceland.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of this incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. Velkommen til Thakgil. Guys, welcome to Thakgil. This is in southeastern Iceland, about 40 minutes off the main ring road from Vik. And we are here for just one night, so we need to hurry up and take this video because it's gorgeous and there are some amazing hikes around here. The road here is epic. We have a Dacia Duster, so it's an all-wheel drive kind of intermediate SUV. That was plenty to get us here. There's a few sketchy spots. Thankfully, everything's really dry right now, so the road conditions are good. I would say if you had no experience on gravel roads and you only had a really tiny sedan, maybe not the best choice, but anything beyond that, you should be good to go, especially if the conditions are nice. We're gonna give you a really quick tour. Here at Thakgil, they have a campground where you could pitch your tent or bring your camper van. We're staying in one of their tiny house cottages. I believe there are 7 or 8 of them. And right now the rate, if you were to pay here, is 22,000 ISK. I say that because I think if you booked it online, it was a few more, but I could see this place booking up because it is gorgeous. We've just shown up to our tiny house cabin thing, and we've got somebody already occupying our cabin. I have no idea what that is.
Hi.
Hey, little cutie.
Hi.
It's okay. Let's bring you inside. Nice front porch. Inside the front door.
It's very small, but it has everything
Yeah,
you need.
it's really cool. Let's turn the light on the GoPro and maybe a few lights on in here. This place is really cool. We have a table and 4 chairs. This place actually sleeps 4, just 2 of us of course, but we've got what seems to be a full or double bed on both the bottom and top bunks. Haven't slept on it, but it actually feels pretty surprisingly comfortable. I expected just like a kind of hard padded cot, almost like a thick yoga mat, but it's way nicer than that, which is amazing.
And the only thing they provide is the sheet for the bed, so you do have to bring your own pillows and blankets.
Yes, so thankfully we're staying in another place right now for a week. We're doing this during one night of that week, so we were able to use the pillows and blankets. But yeah, if not, I don't really know what we do. Probably just be sleeping in our puffers or something. But it is heated, which is important to mention. I'm sure it gets super cold here. Fire extinguisher, trash can. We do have a 2-burner gas stove, which is cool, and some cookware up above.
Wow, yeah, the cookware.
We brought just super easy stuff to make, but you could do some legitimate cooking, it seems like there.
Everybody has a private toilet.
Yeah, sink, toilet, bathroom.
That's about it.
Yeah, there you go.
That
No
works.
shower, but I think there are shower facilities as part of the campground, so if we want to do that, we have the option too.
Wow, look at these views here in Iceland. We got blue skies, greeny grass mountains.
There are a handful of trails here, and you can ask the camp host if you need some pointers. I took the Mýrdalsjökull Glacier trail on all trails, but I'm not certain the stats are accurate because it looks like the recorded trail ends before reaching the glacier, so just know it might be another couple miles longer than the listed 6.4 miles and a bit more climbing than the 1761 feet listed. It's totally possible to make this a loop trail, which I would have done had I started earlier. Well, I'm very close to the end of this trail and not feeling too hopeful that I'm going to get the views that I was hoping for. It's definitely a lot of fog. Still an epic hike. Seen only a couple people and it's great out here. but I can imagine if it was clear right now, I'd be seeing big chunks of glacier somewhere in the distance. This place is epic. I just need the fog to clear. I know you can't see much. It actually just got thicker, but there's a massive glacier straight ahead, water shooting down. I just fueled up the drone. I don't know why I said that like that. And hopefully it will clear enough to get a decent flight.
Wearing a bunch of layers because I'm cold. And let me show you what Jeremy's wearing. What are you doing?
I just got back from one of the craziest hikes of my life. I'm still warmed up, sweating, so I'm gonna make use of my crazy and I'm gonna jump in the cold water.
Ah, you're crazy!
It looks cold. All right, you ready?
Woo!
Wow. Oh my God.
Your hair's parted down the middle.
Freezing. Woo.
Shake your hair, you look crazy. Yeah. You did it. This is a huge cave that everybody was having dinner in last night when the sun was down and it wasn't as light out. And the guy came and did all the little candles and lit them up and made it really pretty in here. So it was like a dark hole. And then the fire pit in the back with roasted marshmallows, eating some dinner. There's a grill here for your meats.
That's amazing. I love it.
Yeah, cute little cave dinner.
Wow. Let's see. Get the lighting. There we go. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Thank you all so much for watching my top 10 hikes in Iceland. Some spectacular places that I'm so thankful to have explored. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel videos. See ya.